Hey guys, I'm Adam Saleh, and today I'm here with my friend
Stephanie Ruiz.
So I put on a hijab and abaya on Stephanie so we can go outside in New York City and see how people react if I pulled her hijab off. Thumbs up, let's see. Do you guys know her? No. You don't know her? I'm just saying because it's like really hot. No, I'm saying just take it off.
What are you doing?
Take it off. Just take it off. Take it off.
What is your problem?
That's all I'm saying. Just take it off.
She's cute though. Your miss is gorgeous. And you are very gorgeous.
You're pretty.
You didn't know that?
You should take it off. Let him see your hair. Let him see your hair.
No.
What do you mean no?
Show me my hair. Touch my hair.
Just take it
Touch
off.
my hair.
What are you
Just take it off. Let him see it.
Oh my God.
Let him see it.
Fucking not gorgeous. You're beautiful, man.
Let me tell you something. Can I tell you?
I'm listening to you.
Okay, I just took off a
I heard
hijab
that.
off her head. Yes?
Talk.
Huh?
Talk.
I just took off a hijab off her head. It's hot outside. Just take it off. Take it off.
Don't touch me.
Take that shit off. Take it off. Take it off. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot, bro. It's hot. What's up?
What are you doing, bro?
It's
What the
hot.
fuck is wrong with you?
What did I do?
Get out of
What are you
here.
doing, bro? What's good with you?
I did it. It's hot.
No.
That's
She is
nah,
perfectly
bro.
capable of wearing whatever the fuck she wants to wear. Get out of here.
Everyone, look. Look how hot it is. Look what she got on. Take it off. It's hot. Summertime. 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 Take it off.
What are you
Take it,
doing?
take it off. Take it off. What's happening, bro?
Give it to mom real quick.
Give it to who? Take that. It's hot outside, bro. What happened? What happened? Chill, man. Chill, man. What happened? Bro, chill. Bro, what happened, man? I'm just saying it's so hot.
That's her job.
What does that mean? What is that?
It's something that protects you. Don't worry. Protects your beauty.
Guys, look what she's wearing. Take it off.
Can you get
Take it off.
out of my
All right, that's it. Just take that shit off.
What's wrong with you?
Take it off. What's wrong with you? Just saying, take it off.
What is wrong with
Take
you?
it off.
What is wrong with you?
It's hot.
Who gives a fuck?
Take it off. It's hot outside. That's it.
But that's what she wears.
Don't fucking touch her.
It's like 90 degrees
Go
outside.
somewhere.
She chooses to wear that, let her wear that.
That shit looks, you making me hot. Saying, take that shit off. Yeah.
Hey, don't do that.
Take it off. That's it.
Put that shit down. Put the fuck down right now.
Sorry.
Go walk away now. Go walk away.
Looks funny, right? It's like 100 degrees and she's wearing that. Right? It's like 100 degrees she's wearing it. Take it off. I'm just saying, take it off. Like just take it off. Like that. That's it. Just take it off. I'm just saying, take it off. That's it. She's Muslim. She needs to take it off.
Why does that fucking matter, dude?
I'm just saying.
Who wear that, dude? What the fuck?
But I'm saying she needs to take it off. She's Muslim. That's what I'm
Fucking
saying.
disrespectful, man.
How is that disrespectful?
Fucking Christian nuns wear that, you know? Like, you're disrespecting them, you disrespect me, man. Like, shitty for everyone, dude.
I'm just saying she just needs to take it off. That's it.
No. It's not okay. You alright?
They all protected her, and that's a good thing, right?
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is. It's not a good thing they protected her?
It's not.
They all protected her, and that's a good thing.
See, because what
It's a
I'm saying
social
is-
experiment. They did that to my mom after 9/11, right? Look, they did it to my mom after 9/11, and no one
Hello?
protected her.
Hello?
And now
Hello?
someone did it, and they protected
Hello?
her.
I've
Yes.
been a Muslim in this country.
I've been a Muslim in this
forever.
country
No,
since
you
I was
from
born.
across the
Nope,
world.
I was born from Yemen. I was born and raised here. You're judging. What do you judging before you knew anything?
Because I knew
You judged me
brothers
before you
back in the
asked
day
me.
that didn't take
Look,
that shit.
this is why Muslims fight. Because he judged me. You judged me before you even asked me a question. Why can't you ask me a nice question? Why can't Muslims ask each other nicely, right? Nicely, that's why. Peace be upon you. Have a nice day. Sir, bang.